of course, I'm keeping a lot of stuff secret. Hi, Sephora. It's Pat McGrath, mother of the Met. We are currently prepping for the Met Gala. Get ready. Come along with me, and I'm going to let you into some of the secrets. We start with fittings about 2 weeks ago, getting to see secretly what everyone is wearing, fabrics, jewels, everything. So we start by doing tests every day. Each person has their special kind of couture look. We just spend a lot of time in prep, lots of filming, lots of photography of all the different looks. It's so busy, but it's so fun. It's so inspirational. There's nothing better than watching it all unfold. We really do take great care in everything that we do. It's just wonderful watching everything come to life, making sure everyone's got their right quad, their motherships, their everything. Then everybody leaves in different vans and we go off to the main hotels around the Met. I will say the biggest takeaway from all of the years of doing the Mets, it's all about preparation and it's all about teamwork, and that's what makes everything happen. You know, everybody gets quite nervous before they go on the carpet, and it's just great to feel that electricity. Am I going to Met Gala parties? Yes, of course. There are many parties, so I have to make sure I am ready to go. Thank you for joining me for our Met Roundup. I've got a lot of makeup to do.